Hey guys, Ignite Oscar here, and today, well, it's a very special unboxing. Yes guys, if I turn it this way, you have an iPad Pro. Mate. Just mate. Anyway, you even have a little flicky to open it quite easily, so that's quite a nice thing to put in. But yeah, I am buzzing to open this, so let's go down and open this thing of pure beauty. Look at that. Look how easy it takes to get this packaging off. It just comes off. Wow. Okay, so just sliding it. Okay, just sliding it off like that. Okay, and there you can see it is the space grey one. Okay, and the 512 gig. Look, and there it is, guys. Look at this. Got a little thing there just to lift it out. Oh my god. Wow, that is pure perfection. Just take it off there. And then look at that grey, isn't it fabulous? Slide it out. Wow, look at that. Look at that pure thing of pure beauty. However you look at it, if you're looking at it from the side, look how thin it is, you know. That is just pure beauty. Putting it down to the side. In the box, we also have, well, we'll have the stickers in here. You always get stickers with Apple. You got the instructions, and yep, there you go, the stickers. So like that, and you've also got the USB-C cable with the plug for charging, and that is everything in the box. And this is the 12.9 inch 512 gigabyte model iPad. Okay, I've got some of the other stuff that go with it as well. Okay guys, here it is, set up with the keyboard, the pencil. As you can see, it is thing of beauty. It swipes between the pages very quickly, so that's all very quick. You know, it's got the pencil, it's all connected by magnets. The keyboard's quite nice to use. And yeah, you got stuff like LumaFusion and LumaFX that you can, well, those are apps you can pay for, but are really worth it if you're going to do any video editing. So yeah guys, this is the iPad Pro unboxing. So yeah guys, if you've liked this video today, always remember to please like, subscribe and share. This has been Ignite Oscar.